Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I am on vacation. I haven't gone anywhere, I'm still at my playhouse, but today I have the first day of my 3 weeks summer holiday vacation. I live in Denmark and we have a really good vacation system compared to many other places. I actually get 6 weeks of vacation every year, plus a lot of Christmas holidays stuff. This year I'm taking 3 weeks in my summer holiday. We have like a system you can decide yourself. I can choose up to 4 continuing weeks, like 4 weeks in one row. I can say I want that, but I'm just taking 3. I want some. Now I have more time for doing projects up here. I have some work that I'm really hoping to get done. So let's go have a look at that.
Well, in here is a door, and that has been sitting there since last year, and I really want to put the door in here instead of this one, because this one is really broken, and this door is in the way. Well, this is a very green windmill right now, and it's struggling to to maintain. I really have to cut that down too, but yeah, I have to put this door in here, and there's not enough room for it, so I have to remove some of the wood. But also, this is my garage and it's full of stuff. Here is the inverters and stuff for the sun panels. I'm planning to move this beam. It's a bit hard to film in here when there's sun outside. Just close the door a little bit. There, that's better. There's a beam right there that goes up and supports the roof, but that's gonna be in the way from the new door, and I have to take it out in this side of the door, because over here I have the garage door. It's one, it swings up and comes in this way, and that ends right here, so I cannot go this way. I have to go this way. And to not smash the total support from the whole garage, I'm gonna move this just enough so that the new door can be there. I'm gonna take it out and just move it a little bit that way. But to do that, I have to get rid of all these all this junk that I've put up here. So most of this job involves cleaning up in the shed. I think I have to remove a lot of this stuff too. Really need to clean up in here. I'm saving all kinds of stuff. Old windows, doors, insulation. I have a rubber boat, an inflatable I think it's called. Water heater, a lot of toys. I have a cleaning job to do. I know I need to remove all of this because that's in the way. I have to get this one off, this beam, and if I remove that right now, I'll have all this coming down on me, and that's not really what I want. Let's go out and see what the plan is. The plan is to get the trailer, open the door and place the trailer here, and just throw a lot of stuff out. See how much stuff that becomes. I don't like throwing things out. That's the plan. Opening the door, pulling everything out, or a lot of stuff out, and putting it in the trailer. This really needs some paint too. So, and the trailer is over here. Trailer's right there. Okay, I've been cleaning up, removing everything from the doorway where this stud is gonna be moved a bit that way to make room for the door. And out here I have filled up, been putting stuff in the trailer that I'm gonna throw out. There's still much to go in there. There's no problem whatsoever. It's not gonna be feeling empty or anything. I think the plan is that I'm gonna take off these plate. This is some kind of a concrete plate that is put on here. Oh, and the sign says that this is a non-smoking area. I'll have to cut the bush here, or the climbing, whatever this tree is, to get rid of this piece over here. So I'm gonna be doing that. These plates are concrete, and to prevent them from breaking, I'm using a big piece of wood, but I can't just lay the piece of wood and get this in, so I get the hammer to take its nails, and then I put this up under it, and I don't have to remove that. Oh, stupid. Like that. I removed this one. It doesn't need to be removed. This one was removed by mistake. There's a couple of screws in this one. That's a big part of the wall missing right there. And I just need this little piece up here. Now there's room for the new door. Have to get rid of, where's my finger? I have to get rid of this one. And this one has to be moved over here. Have to measure the door, how much. And all the plates that are just taken down is laying right over here. That's the progress so far. Door itself looks very easy to remove. I think I can just lift it out of here, like these hinges. They don't seem like there's any blockade on those. So I think I can just lift it off and it will be out of the way. And then there is an even further big hole, and it's pretty dirty up there. Well, that's where the new door is gonna be. I will try and dig that out. There's still some work to do, but it's gonna be a very nice door for this shed. Oh, actually it's my garage. Although I have actually never had my car in there. So I just put in a stabilization thing because this big stud has been hammered with 4 nails sideways like this and down into this one, and that's really hard to get out of there. So I'm gonna take the little Ryobi tool and see if I can cut the nails. Here is the little Ryobi tool. And I'm gonna use it to cut the nails down there, flush with the wood. As you can see, it's now loose. Even bigger and nicer hole for the door now. Down here there's a bit of an iron nut. This piece is mounted to the concrete of of the floor with this thing right there. That's gonna be a problem. I'll have to do something with that. I'm not sure this little Ryobi will be able to take that. I'm missing a few teeth over here. So, yeah, but it did okay. It's the toothless, more or less now. That's too much for it. Well, we almost got it. It was just missing a little bit. This one died totally. I measured out that the door is 95 centimeters wide. I'm gonna be putting in this stud so that there is 95 centimeters from the stud and over to the stud over here. I'm cutting a little bit of plate to put under the big stud because it's just a tiny bit too short. And it's gonna go right over here. Put a little line on the board. It's gonna go right there. Okay, I had to remove the stud again because this thing keeps sliding. now the door frame is kind of in. I haven't screwed it in or anything, but it's standing there. I'll go get some really long screws and fasten it there. Okay, I found some great big screws. I'm gonna give it a few in the bottom, one there and one there, and just make sure the bottom is very tight, and then give this one a couple, and then when the door is connected to this one, I'm gonna fasten this one to the rest of the garage. Now I'm gonna fasten this stud with a couple of screws. It was just like the nails was in there, I think. From the outside and in, and from the inside and out, kind of. Though it's not entirely straight, I have to do something differently because the door is not able to close. So something is not up to specs. After a bit of adjustment, I had to take out some of the screws and lift it up in this side, just pull it up a little bit. It was in there, not straight, but now it can be closed. It's not good. The door closes. I have to do some trim work with the concrete plates over here, but otherwise it's not that bad. So yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me completing this. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.